Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Unscrew and remove bottom base. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Disconnect smart card cable. Disconnect LED cable. Disconnect touchpad cable. Now disconnect and remove speakers. Now unscrew and disconnect LED board. Now unscrew and disconnect touchpad buttons. Then unscrew and disconnect wireless card. Now unscrew and remove heatsink. Now unscrew and remove cooling fan. Now unscrew solid state bracket. Then remove solid state drive. Now unscrew and remove bracket. Next, disconnect and remove DC jack. Now unscrew and remove bracket. Now unscrew and remove bracket. Then disconnect display cable. Now disconnect motherboard cables. Now unscrew and remove motherboard. Now unscrew and disconnect keyboard assembly. Next, unscrew and remove smart card cage. Now unscrew and remove display assembly. The remaining piece is the Palmrest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.